What's up everyone, I'm Jason, and thanks for joining me today on UFO Chaser. In today's video, I just wanted to highlight a few space things currently going on, starting with Elon Musk and his company SpaceX, who looks to be one step closer to his ultimate goal, which is to establish a permanent human presence on Mars. And he plans on doing that by building a bunch of these starships that have been under development since 2012, and are planned to be able to carry not only a lot of cargo, but possibly up to 100 people. To put this into perspective, past and current manned missions into space only hold around 3 people in a capsule launched into space atop a rocket. Here we see a Starship test flight that took place last month, minus a nose cone, no body control flaps, and being boosted by only one Raptor engine. We are currently awaiting the next test flight for the next Starship that should be happening any day now. When that's happening, it will consist of 3 Raptor engines, a completed nose cone with completed control body flaps, and when it's all said and done, the whole completed Starship that's supposed to be taking us into space should have 6 Raptor engines, and it will actually be boosted from Earth on top of a giant rocket that they call Super Heavy, that consists of 30 Raptor engines just by itself. And this thing in height from ground to the top is going to be about 400 feet tall, and they're said to already be, I guess, a passenger, billionaire, Japanese billionaire, that's going to be the first passenger on one of these things. It's going to be taking a trip around the moon in the year 2023. And Elon Musk is saying that he's hoping by the year 2024 that we'll be able to make a trip to Mars. So interesting stuff, and let's see the most recent things that Mr. Elon Musk had to say for himself right here. Let's take a listen.
I'd say I'm 80 to 90% confident that we will reach orbit with Starship next year. I think probably 50% confident that we'll be able to bring the ship and booster back. That's more of a dicey situation. We'll probably lose a few ships before we really get the atmospheric return and landing right. We might lose. Hopefully we don't lose it. Hopefully we don't lose any boosters, because that's a lot of engines. Our initial booster flights will just have maybe 2 to 4 engines, not 28. 28 is a lot of engines. So yeah, and then I think we'll probably be in doing high volume flights, I think probably in 2022, so a couple years from now. But I'm trying to make sure that our rate of innovation increases, it does not decrease. This is really essential. In fact, if we do not see something close to an exponential improvement in our rate of innovation, we will not reach Mars. Like a pure linear doesn't get there. Well, I'll be dead anyway before it gets there if it's pure linear. If it's exponential, I think we could get to Mars. We could probably send an uncrewed mission there in maybe 4 years. There's a Mars conjunction every 26 months. There's one this year, so that means in a couple years from now there's another one, and then 4 years from now there's another one. I think we've got a fighting chance of making that second Mars transfer window.
All right, here's something else that I thought was pretty cool. Just a few days ago on October 14th, this jointly combined effort here by the Japanese and European space agencies has this spacecraft called the Bepi Colombo, which flew by on October 14th, like I was saying, and took some images of Venus on its long journey, 7-year journey to Mercury. So pretty cool stuff. Here's some pictures of it. Although this is not the first spacecraft to ever go to Mars. NASA's Messenger was actually the first spacecraft ever to make the journey to the innermost planet in our solar system back in 2011, when it circled around the planets and snapped more than 200,000 pictures before making a planned crash into the planet's surface in 2015. So here's some pictures from that as well. Thought it was pretty cool stuff. So let's take a look at it. And other than that, hope everybody has a good day. Much love.